What's good and what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the K-Nation vlog. Before we get started with this video, I just want to get a few disclaimers out. If you hear any trees breaking or like hard rain or like hail or something, it's because we're getting a little bit of the hurricane right now. So yeah, let's just get into the real intro. Okay, so if you guys just like heard that intro, the fake intro, this is the real intro. I'm basically going to be doing a video about an updated hurricane part 2 of 2018. So this is my first hurricane. A lot of people ask me, am I scared? I am scared to death, but I'm going to have to get through it because I can't stop it. So it is raining so bad. So if you hear it, I'm sorry. I'm going to show you. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like raining so bad. Like, and the wind, well, let me tell you about the wind. It ain't playing today. No. But the tree back there has already broke. And it was like thick as freak. Okay, it was thick as a booty. I'm not kidding about that. And it fell and, oh, I'm getting wet. But this is a hurricane, sorta. Like, it's not the whole entire hurricane. We're not gonna get that. We're gonna get the rest of the hurricane tomorrow and Friday and Saturday and Sunday. We're gonna get half of it and we're gonna get the last bit of it Sunday. I'm going to show y'all that it's raining. Like, y'all can see it on heavy drop. Here. Y'all see that? Okay. But yeah, it's basically raining. And yeah. So, the reason why I'm doing this video, because somebody said they like, and if you know who you are, thank you for watching my videos. I love you. But basically, somebody had liked my other ones, and they said that they wanted another update. So this is part 2 of the hurricane. I'm going to do like the full course hurricane when it comes. But we don't know if it's going to be Friday or Sunday, Saturday. We don't know. Because they keep saying it's Sunday, then they say it's Saturday, then they say it's Friday, then they say we're going to get it Thursday. Today is Thursday, and they wasn't lying because we really are getting some of it now. So we could be getting it all days, but I don't really know. I don't think a hurricane can last like that long. Well, I don't know, because we had one hurricane and it lasted for a week. Okay, I don't know. But this is basically the rain. It's like really bad. And yeah. So I don't know really what to do after this besides just pray for you guys. I hope you guys are safe. Stay safe from the hurricane. And this is also another thing. You know how we wasn't going to get any of it? I told y'all in the last video. Well, now it's coming. It was coming straight, and we watched it literally turn. We're talking about the hurricane. The hurricane literally. Okay, so it was going straight, and then the hurricane, we watched it on the news. It literally turned. So the hurricane is officially coming our way, y'all. So we are going to get the hurricane. But just stay safe. I love y'all.